Vlogmas. Welcome to my channel. It is me, the real Princy, Princess P, Princy in a real life. You done know. Big up all my real ones. You done know so well. Real recognize real. To all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome. You are now a real one, okay? And that's what it is. You subscribe, you rock with me, you're a real one. You've been here, you staying here, real recognize real. It's simple. I've decided to do Vlogmas in a new way, and I'm trying to beat the algorithm here because they trying to put me in a box and I cannot be put into a box. A little bit of what to expect on my channel. I'm a mother, first and foremost. So we will have a little family, but I am a woman. Let me be your woman. I love to dress up. I love to put on makeup. I love to comb my hair. I love a little DIY. I do things, and I don't want to be put into a box. Them can't put me in a box. Can't fit in a no box. So, for Vlogmas, and I'd say this is the kind of blueprint for my page, I've broken things down. Mondays are Get Ready With Me Mondays, and that looks like getting ready with me. Very simple, but it could be behind the scenes. It could be me going shopping. It could be trying on outfits. It can be makeup. That is the Get Ready With Me portion. Tuesdays are Tell Me To Tuesdays. Tell Me To. So Tuesdays I'll be reviewing things, or say I went somewhere that's interesting that I want to share with you guys. It's Tell Me To. Tell Me Too. Wednesdays is How's My Hair Hump Day. How's my hair hump day? So of course, I'll be doing hair. I'll be doing my hair. I could be doing my son's hair. Making a wig, because you know, sis be loving them wigs. Travel Thursdays, self-explanatory. We go on vacation or I go on a girls trip. I travel somewhere. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Fridays are family and fun. Fridays, a fun activity that we did, me and my boys, something along those lines. That will be Fridays. Saturdays and Sundays are really rest days, but I feel that although she can't sing, although she don't know the words, she gonna be posting up that car karaoke. My commitment for Vlogmas is to show up. If I'm posting a picture, if I am posting a reel, if I'm posting a video, I will be showing up. That is my commitment to you. I would love for you guys to stay with me along this journey. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it. And I'll see you in my very next video. It's the real Princy. Bye.